Stop and pay close attention to what I am about to say. If you are an online entrepreneur but know deep down that you deserve much more than a couple $100 here and there, then you are in for an unbelievably pleasant treat today. The world is changing constantly, and so is the internet marketing world. What was relevant yesterday could very well be obsolete today. That's how it works. An opportunity that you have been sitting on all along without encashing it to claim your ticket to ultimate financial freedom is about to be revealed in this video. In the next couple of minutes, I am going to show you a system that we have created which can easily generate an income of up to 4 figures per month from just one client with a few minutes of work. Here's the honest-to-goodness fact of 2019. If you run a business, you need to have an interactive app which can lead your customers back to your business and add more zeros to your bottom line. Period. Mobile apps are practically shaping the way businesses interact with their customers. In fact, 87% of people already prefer using their mobile apps regularly to shop online, get food and groceries delivered, get movie tickets booked, book appointments with doctors, lawyers, and other professionals, and more. And why shouldn't they, when doing all this is as easy as tapping their fingers on their smartphone screen a few times? Come to think of it, and you'll realize that almost every successful business has an app of their own because mobile apps drive up their profits like crazy. Mobile apps help these businesses to stay in touch with their users and customers, and this results directly in more user engagement and retention. But there is a problem. A professionally built native mobile app costs anywhere between $1,000 and $5,000 or more. The word native here being of paramount importance. Native apps are the fastest kind of apps as they are built to exactly meet the requirements of the environment they run in. They are much like race cars in the fast lane. And because they're so fast, Google and Apple absolutely love native apps. And as they are so fast and slick, they're expensive to get made. So much so that most businesses and individuals just can't afford to get them made. But luckily for you, this is not a problem at all anymore. After almost 2 years of rigorous coding, designing, testing, and debugging, we did it. We created a robust, never-seen-before platform which would go on to churn out hundreds of apps for our clients in practically no time, compared to the traditional way of building an app. Oh, and get this. Every single app created using our platform was super fast, absolutely bug-free, worked seamlessly on any platform our clients preferred, and most importantly, served the very purpose of having an app. More business for our clients and ourselves. Presenting our state-of-the-art, completely cloud-based mobile apps creation platform with patent-pending technology, AppsKit Pro. Just in 2018 alone, 105 billion apps were downloaded, and this number is projected to be over 300 billion by 2020. That's right. Mobile apps are rage currently and are not going to die off anytime soon. Businesses are spending thousands of dollars on Android and iOS app development to grow fast. It's a market wide open for smart takers just like you to jump in and kill it. And we at AppsKit Pro are here to empower you with the tools and the know-how to do just that. AppsKit Pro has been our #1 in-house secret weapon, and a very few beta testers who were let in to use it are absolutely stoked by its abilities. We have revolutionized the way mobile apps are created without compromising on quality in a record turnaround time. And now we want to give that power straight to you. You can also easily make apps and sell them to any local business because having a mobile app on a phone is not an alien concept to anyone anymore. In fact, most businesses know they need it and gladly pay $500 to $3,000 for a single app that you can create for them. It's going to be a non-stop cash flow machine for your business, even if you are a one-person business with no prior experience or technical know-how. So whether you are a small business owner, marketing agency, e-com store owner, digital marketer, or you just want to start your app creation business, AppsKit Pro is perfect for you. It gives everything you need to build breathtakingly gorgeous apps within minutes, be it e-com stores, restaurant or food ordering apps, apps for yoga studios, gyms, hair salons, franchise businesses, and pretty much any type of app you can think about. It's easy, self-explanatory, and totally newbie-friendly. It's 2019, and it's your time. It doesn't matter if you already own a business or if you are looking for an opportunity to pursue your dream of financial freedom. AppsKit Pro is the answer. With AppsKit Pro, you will be able to create beautiful and professional Android and iOS apps in a few minutes. We are extremely proud of our app creating platform, and we are soon going to license it for $247 to $297 a month. It's a steal compared to the extortion-like pricing of our so-called competitors. But don't worry if it seems a bit out of reach for you at this point in time, because we have something very special for you today. With this exclusive early adopters launch, we invite you to check out the AppsKit Pro platform. Between our simple yet thorough training and early adoption bonus pack, there's no way you could go wrong with this. Check out the demo of the app below and see for yourself how stoked our early adopters are. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip through the cracks. It's not every day crazy and passionate entrepreneurs like us reveal their own secret tools at such an unbelievable one-time price. You don't even have to say yes now. Just a maybe will do. If you decide to take action now and invest in AppsKit Pro, your purchase will be guarded by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. What else could you ask for when we are willing to put our money where our mouth is? The only thing remaining for you is to go ahead and take action. But hurry. Once this special launch is over, AppsKit Pro will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So hit the buy button now, and I'll see you on the inside.
Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how you build an app from start to finish using the platform. First thing you do, click Add New. You enter in your information here. Okay, so I've gone ahead and filled out this stuff that's required. Outlet name, app name, all that stuff is filled out. It's pretty self-explanatory. The one thing that you would want to know is the category. So we have a bunch of pre-built types of apps already pre-built, and whatever you select here will have everything turned on for you that's relevant to that type of business. So for example, if you're selecting cafe, you'll have food ordering system, points rewards, punch cards, that kind of stuff that's already turned on for you. You will be able to go in and update it and add things if you needed to, but that's what this has done. So this is going to be a coach or a trainer, and I will hit submit, and you'll see it's been added successfully. When I come back to my list here, you will see it at the top of my list. Now, the automatic mail content is what you can send to your clients. So when you've sold in the app, you click this link and it will send them the email that you just created in the account. It will send them the welcome email that you're sending that you created over here in the auto mail content. So we have a welcome mail that goes out for your resellers and all the account information. You can customize this to do whatever you want. But let's stick to the building process. So we have now created the app at the top here. You see the create app link right here. If we click on that, you will see the areas where you can customize the color schemes, the images and background. So the login screen, you can put a custom image there. All the image sizes are mentioned here, and the types of image, if it's PNG or JPEG, it would be mentioned there. You can configure the features. Like I said, when you select the category of apps, all the features that are relevant to that category will come as turned on. And you can see what they are. If you want to turn something off or on, you can just basically come in here and do that. And now this is no longer on. Same thing if you want to turn it, this is no longer on, so if you want to turn something from off to on, you would just basically make it active. Okay, so I will just do something like that, make this active, and away we go. So that's all the features here listed in the platform. Your next step would be the menu, and we will use, I will just use the standard menu, but the layout for is the advised menu. I didn't create an image for this one yet, that's why I'm not using this. The required images, these are the kinds of images you're going to need. You're going to need the icons, a login screen, the home screen of the app, a smaller icon, a splash screen, Those are the main images that you're going to need to create the app. So I didn't create an image for the menu, but you can also create a custom image for the menu. Okay, the publish section I will come back to after I've added all the images. So the publish section is where you enter the information that's required to publish the apps. This is for Google, this is for Apple. The Google stuff you enter yourself, and you'll be able to generate the source code, which we will do in this video. The Apple stuff, you fill out the information, upload the images, and we submit the Apple app for you. Okay, so let's go into the building part of the app. Okay, so once you've created the app, you would log in, okay, and come down to the settings. So this dashboard, what you're looking at, is the dashboard that your clients see. Okay, so all of your clients will see from the word dashboard all the way down. This is where they would manage the app. Okay, we can go into the different features after we've done the building process. So the first thing that you do is after you've logged in is go to the settings and come to the home screen. Now this is where the magic is. So this is already coming with, we selected a category of a coach, whatever. So it comes with some sort of a starter screen so that you can have an idea of what to do. But what we're going to do is we're going to delete this and replace it. So I'm just deleting this, and I'm going to replace it with the new screens that we built specifically for this app. So when you hit the Add New button, you get this screen, and this is where you can upload your own file. Okay, so the image sizes are mentioned here, 960 pixels wide with a maximum height of 3,000 pixels. If you need to go longer than that, you would have to create 2 separate images. Okay, so let me find the image that I want. This is the one that I want, and I'll just call it home. Let's call it home screen. And this is key. Coming down here, disregard all this stuff. You would assign a function to this screen, so we will say multifunction because this is where the magic is. So make sure you put multifunction. Okay, hit submit, and the screen will pop up on the outside. So this is the screen that we're now making for this specific app. Okay. Now, this is where the magic, like I said, in our platform happens. We don't use a template. We don't use layouts. We allow you to build an app strictly from with literally no limits, no boundaries. You're creating an app. This is the home screen of the app. So this is what people will always see when they open up the app. This was an image created in Photoshop by one of our designers, and we've uploaded the image into the system as you just saw, and now we're going to assign functionality to it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and assign functionality. Click on that link there, and it brings me into the image here, and I click on the image. Now I can make a hotspot. So I can take this, I can move it anywhere I want, I can put it wherever I want. And what I'm doing is I'm going to make a hotspot and map out the functionality on this app. So this would be a call us feature. And I'm just going to tell the system to go to the call us button. Okay. So now when anyone touches this area on the screen, it will take them to a phone number where it'll dial right from the device. Again, similarly, I'm going to do this for notifications. We're doing push notifications here. Title the screen. Okay. And say you're telling the system to go to notifications when anyone touches this area of the screen. So I'm going to finish mapping this out. Hang on a second. Okay, so I went ahead and mapped out the rest of the functions that I want to have on the home screen of this app. I didn't find an Instagram page, so I can put that there, but everything else has been pretty much mapped out, what we're adding. So these are the few functions that we're having on the home screen. It's all been done. I saved it, and now the app is essentially built. There are some things that you would want to come in here and customize. You know, you're building an app for your own specific customer, whether it's a clothing store, pizza place, hair salon, whatever the niche is. There are some things that come pre-built for you, but they're pre-built with dummy text. So if we were building a cafe or a pizza restaurant, it's going to come with text and things that are already pre-configured to that industry, but it's not going to say your customer's name. So if your customer's name, for example, is Joe's Pizza Place, it's not going to say Joe's Pizza Place or have his logo in any of the automated marketing tools that we've got. So let's take a look at what we should do after we've finished with the home screen. We've got the campaigns area, which is where we've created autopilots. Autopilots are automatic push notifications. So these are things that you can actually create for your clients, and there's a couple of things that you can add. So for example, you hit the add button and you create a welcome message. So I'm going to create that. Welcome, again, it can be to whoever. This is going to be a marketing event to Marketing Central. Okay, this type of autopilot push notification, there's two options. a sign up or reminder. A sign up can only happen one time. So the first time someone downloads the app, they will get this sign up message. So I'm going to make the same headline here, and sorry, paste here. Let's put another message in here. Okay, so mobile. So this is the kind of stuff that you can customize, and you should customize for each of your clients. Okay, it'll come with some dummy text in most of the fields, but this is how you customize it. Whatever comes with, obviously you're putting your own customer information in there. Okay, you hit the submit button, and now we've created an automatic push notification. So this goes out to anyone that downloads the app for the first time. Okay, similarly, we've got automated emails. None of these are set. You would want to set this stuff up as well. So a welcome email, so you can set up something here for your clients, add some imaging, add some messaging, welcome them to your rewards program or the app. Any kind of information that would be relevant to them would be set up here as well. Okay, so that's what you do that. And what else can we look at? I think that should cover it. Now I'm going to go to the publish part and actually publish this app while I have you guys here. So I would come back into the create app section, and let's go ahead and go to the image and background. I'm going to upload my screen here. So this is the login screen. Okay. Oh, wrong. This is a PSD file. I don't want that. I need a JPEG file. So the login screen that's a Photoshop file. I don't want that. This is the one that I want. So you can see the PNG. It comes right in the background there. I don't need a logo. So I'm going to go to the build section here. That's all done. Design, that's fine. The menu is fine. Now we go to the publish section. So right here, I need a splash screen. I will upload my splash screen, which is this one. Is that a PNG? It is. I will upload that. Okay, I need an app icon. I will get that. This is large, this is small. I've done that. Now my package name is important. So it's the name of the app, so I'm going to call it Marketing Alliance. Okay, query key, we're using the 1, 2, 3, 4. The app icon name again is Marketing Alliance. Okay, and the server key in the JSON file, there's a separate video on how to get that. I'm going to go ahead and make that right now, and I'll populate it, and I'll show you how to finish the build. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to be uploading pasting the server key here. So here's the server key. It's being pasted, and I will find a JSON file that I saved from the Google console. Right, I pasted the key. I upload the JSON file. Let me find it here. Hang on a second. It's in my downloads folder. There it is. I pasted it in, and now hit the update button, and now you see this key is ready to go. So I can now generate the source code, come back to the main page, hit the generate button, and 2 or 3 minutes later, you will have the app built. That's the end of it. Thanks for watching, guys. Today we're going to take a look at the AppsKit Pro mobile building app system. We are a cloud-based mobile app builder, and we have a fantastic platform. So let's take a quick look at all the features that we've got. Number one, the secret sauce is our patent-pending design technology. We have a builder that does not use templates or layouts. We have a builder that really gives you the maximum flexibility of anything on the market, and hopefully anything you'll ever see, because we have actually applied for a patent on it. So you got some screenshots here of some of the apps that we built in our system. You can see the variety and different looks that you can accomplish with our system. Again, it's a really design-focused builder, and you'll see that once you're on the inside of the platform. So that's number one. Number two, we use the hook of loyalty. We've got 9 different types of rewards programs, and loyalty is the thing that keeps these apps on customers' devices. 84% of people that download an app that have points or rewards in it will not delete that app. This is the spend-based reward system, and it's one of the 9 programs that we've got. How this works, it's transactional based, so the customer receives a percentage of the transaction amount back into their wallet. So this is a wallet screen. and whatever they spend, and you can set up different tiers, different levels, and basically assign a percentage of spend back to the customer. So let's say a customer comes in and spends $100 and you're giving them a 5% rebate. They would get a $5 back in their rewards platform, and they can accumulate these rewards over time and use it to obviously buy other things in the place of business if they are, or they can spend it essentially whenever they want. The good thing about it is even when they spend their rewards, they're earning on the spend. So if they've earned, let's say they've accumulated $100 in rewards, and they come to spend $100, they will earn on the, if they spend 125 or 130, they will earn money on the extra that they spent on this that next transaction. So the point is it never runs out. The rewards never run out. How this works, it's a standalone system, but we do work with companies and we do write APIs that will connect to POS systems, but essentially it's a standalone system. The customer submits a receipt through the app, either by filling in information that we ask for or taking a picture of the receipt. Admins approve it, the customer gets a push notification, and the rewards are in their account in real time, immediately. Another one of our systems is VIP rewards. The reward system we just looked at was a lifetime spend. This is year to date. So this resets every January 1. So the same thing. This is incentivizing customers to keep coming back to the business and spending money on a yearly basis. We also have a points-based reward system. So you can see here, this system is great for fast-paced, high-volume locations, restaurants, that kind of stuff, where you are able to come into the place of business, make a purchase. When you're checking out, pull out your app. The merchant scans your QR code, enters an amount spent, and boom, the points are automatically added into your account in real time, also almost instantly. Another one of our rewards programs, Scratch and Win. This is gamification at its best. Customers love this one. You can put a custom branded image on the screen. Your customers can scratch that image with their finger, and they're able to win prizes. Customers love this one. Here's another one, coupons. Coupons are a fantastic way to provide incentives for your customers to come in and make a purchase. You can see a listing on the coupons that you've got in your app. Coupons are also trackable, so you're able to actually enter redeem codes and you're able to see how many coupons have been redeemed. A referral feature, this is a great tool. You're able to refer friends from your network. So let's say I'm a customer and I've downloaded your app. I can go into my address book and start referring my friends to come into your place of business. You can incentivize me to do that as well. So I'm able to get rewards for referring people, and the people that come in are also able to get a reward for downloading the app. The key thing here for us is the person that's doing the referring does not actually get the rewards until the person that they referred comes in and makes a purchase. Okay, so the customer has to make a purchase. So I can't go into my address book and refer 100 of my friends and I can get all these rewards, even if those people don't turn into customers. We have a feature called Smart Reviews. After a transaction is made, the customer would get an email that looks something like this. They would be able to click on any one of these stars, and once they've clicked on it, depending upon the rating, you can set this up again. It's manageable. So let's say in this example, we were giving out 4- and 5-star reviews. Those are good reviews. Would automatically be transferred to that business's Yelp page, their Google page, their Facebook page, wherever they're collecting online reviews, and the customer would complete the review right online. If there's a negative review given, the customer is taken to a form. They're able to input some comments. That is mailed to the admins of the app, and they're able to follow up with the customer and find out why we're having a negative interaction with the business. Gift cards, a huge feature. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry annually. Merchants love it because they get the money up front, and if they sell a $100 gift card, the customer will come back. Maybe they spend 120, 130, 150, or they spend 75. They may come back next week, next month, next year. So that's why merchants love it. Customers also, you're able to buy the gift cards for yourself or for someone else. You're able to share the gift cards digitally right through the app. This feature is a great tool. This just went live with our system. It's called the clientele module. This allows staff. So these are screens that you're looking at that only staff members would see. It allows them to create follow-ups, automated follow-ups. So they're able to track, their a to-do list. They're able to also add clients manually. So they can add clients right from their own screens without the client ever even having to download the app. And you're also able to send images and videos right through the system to your clients. This system is based on SMS, so text messaging, so not push notification. This system works 100% of the time. When you send a client a text message, it is open, so you know your messages are getting seen and read. Moving right along, we have an event calendar. Basically, you're able to set up events, different types of promotions or things that are happening with your business, and they're all available in a calendar format. You're able to set up reminders so people are getting reminders by email, push notification, or text message right through the system. We have a fantastic food ordering system. It's standalone. It's built into the app, and as well as you're able to provide it to your customers if they need to put it on their website. So the same system could be on our website as well as inside the app. So these are the screens that we've got. We really looked at what was out on the market, and we saw the Domino's app. Domino's spent over $500,000 on their app, and we went and looked at their UI, and basically we emulated it. There's a lot of similarities. If you were to open up the Domino's app, you would see a lot of similarities in our platform as well. And again, keep in mind, you're able to customize the color schemes and all that kind of stuff to fit your business. So here's categories. You're able to pick a category of pizza. You have different sizes. You're able to customize it. And then you're able to send an order right through the app. You're able to pay for it right through the app. The kitchen gets a push notification if they're using the device. They can also set up a receipt printer. They get a push notification showing them the details of the order. They confirm the order. And then the customer, again, gets a push notification saying your order has been confirmed and it's going to be ready in 30 minutes. Great system. It's a no-brainer, really. I mean, imagine what you can do with this as a small business owner. You can provide a mobile app to them for $1,500, $2,000, $3,000, at really pennies on the dollar. Domino's paid $500,000 for their app, and you're able to provide the same type of functionality to your local businesses at a fraction of the cost. We have a table reservation system as well. So you're actually able to provide restaurants a way for their customers to book tables right through the app. Here's the other screen, confirm reservation, and everything's done right through the app platform. The next feature we're looking at is appointment booking. This is great for hair salons or dentists or doctor's office, anything that needs to have appointments made with specific members of the business. You see the calendar here. You're able to pick a service, and then you're able to pick a time and check out right through the app. You're also able to set up recurring booking. So if I'm doing my hair every week or every 2 weeks, I'm able to do that right through the system as well. Jumping there, the next feature, paid memberships. We have the ability for you to gate your content. So you're able to set up areas on the home screen of your app that would be considered premium or paid. So if you wanted to get monetize your app, you're able to set up a VIP section. For example, if I'm a coach or a trainer and I've got videos that I want to house inside the platform that I only want people to have access to if they paid, I can do that with this platform. You can set up the VIP section. When the customers click on it, they would be requested to purchase the access. They're then taken to a payment page, make their payment. When they come back into the app, the system is the features automatically available to them. Now, the one great thing about this is we're not paying Apple or Google anything. If you look at in-app purchases with Apple or Google, usually you've got to pay them 30%. If any games or any, when you're playing games, you're buying coins or whatever, 30% of those purchases are paid to Apple. This payment system is housed offline, so it's housed actually on a website. So none of the payment goes to Apple or Google. 100% of the money goes to your customers. Huge selling tool there. We've got a ticketing module where you're able to set up events and actually sell tickets, have different types of seats, and sell tickets right through the platform as well. We've got a shopping cart. You're able to sell physical, tangible products, digital products. Again, all through our platform. We have these modules already in our system, so you're able to provide this. If your clients do not have an e-commerce module or e-commerce site, you're able to give this to them. Okay, so this is something that's huge. Again, the amount of value that you're going to be provided is mind-boggling. We've got information tabs. So here's one use case of it. You can set up again information on your team, have some imaging there, and some information on the team. Directory listing. So we've got a way for you to enable having almost like a Yellow Pages type of feature in the system. And we actually call it the Yellow Pages. And again, it's a great tool. You're able to have multiple businesses listed. People will be able to click on this, check out the business, and they'll also be able to provide ratings of the business. So you can actually have comments and ratings posted right inside the app. Another tool is the Employee Scheduler. Great tool, especially for small businesses. Small businesses today are using, paper in their back office, or Excel sheets to keep track of schedules. We have a fully functioning online digital scheduling system built into our platform. Employees would get a tab in the app that only they would see. they would be prompted to clock in and out, or actually they only clock in. They would automatically be clocked out when they leave the vicinity of the business. So the business would actually set up an area on their store locator, and they would set up the radius, so 10 meters, 20 meters. When the employees come into that radius, they'd be prompted to clock in. When they leave that radius, they would automatically be prompted, would be clocked out. Again, you're also able to export timesheets for the week, for the month, as all from the platform. Again, a great tool. This is a real cool value add for small businesses. Something that they would be using every single day. Messaging, push notifications, huge. You have the ability to send messages, custom messages to your customer base. Anyone that downloads your app, you're able to send a push notification. Exactly like a text, except that it's requiring the customer to have your app. Moving to the next feature, we have integrated SMS technology as well. So push notifications, while powerful, users are able to turn off, opt out of getting push notifications. If you've got your customer's cell phone number, you are able to send text messages to them, and they are not able to opt out. This is huge. I mean, a great marketing tool, 100% open rates. And this is the only system in our whole module, our whole system that's not 100% included. So this is actually a premium feature. So make sure you inquire about what the costs are involved with the text messaging platform. The next feature is social media, or really it should say any of your digital content. Anything that you've got that's housed on a website can be embedded inside the app platform. So here we're using it for social media, your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, your Vimeo page, YouTube page, all that can be housed inside of a platform with one click. We have a form builder. You're able to set up forms, and in those forms you can ask for any kind of information you want. Also, the user in the form, if you wanted to get an address, would be able to click a button and send their GPS coordinates right through the form. All that information is stored inside the form. You're also able to add a signature box. So like if you're putting a waiver or something like that inside the form, you're able to get your customers to sign up on it. Next feature, hotel booking module. We're able to actually provide a fully functioning hotel booking system right inside the platform. So this would be something that they can use in the app as well as on their website. So this can be, you can create them a website, create a button that says book now, and then the booking system would take over right from there. So the web and the app-based system would be exactly the same. Here's a couple more screens for the hotel booking system. You can put room views, all that kind of stuff right inside the system. Mortgage calculator, pretty straightforward. Input your information, get your monthly payments. Tip calculator, same deal. You can get tip information right from the system. And the next one is what we call the hub. So this is a tool that, again, only the admins would see, so it would be set up inside of the app. This allows admins to send push notifications right from their phones. So they don't have to log into the back office, they don't have to go anywhere. They can send a push note to their entire database or segments of their database right from the app system. And that's a quick overview of our entire platform. Keep in mind, what you guys are getting this for now is absolutely theft. It's a steal. We are going to be putting this thing on the market very soon. This is what our pricing is going to be, $250 a month, and you're going to get the ability to sell 10 apps for that. There's some other programs here as well that will be offered. But again, this is going to be the main package, and what you guys are getting it for is absolutely theft. So welcome to the program, welcome to the family, and hope to see you on the inside. Thanks.